Hello my YouTube friends and welcome to my next video. After the trip to Bend, we have another weekend and it's Sunday today, and I have a tickets for Spring Garden and Home Show in Bury, exactly in Springwater. And I got tickets because my uncle is working there today, so I dropped him off at this place, and because I'm alone and I don't want to go alone and my uncle has more tickets, I decided to take with me my friend and schoolmate Angela from Mexico. You could have seen him in some of my previous videos. So now I'm gonna go pick him up and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna go check it out. You maybe remember from the last year the Midland Home Show. I did record video from this home show, but this home show is much bigger and I heard it's more crowded than the Midland one. The Midland one wasn't that crowded and it wasn't that busy and big. So this should be much bigger and I think it could be interesting, so I decided to take you with me today. And yeah, the plan now is to pick up my friend and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna go check it out. So I'll see you soon. They have European donuts, I mean sweets or bakery, how does it go? So I'm gonna get some. So I got my European donuts, I'm satisfied. So we got popcorn with white cheddar for free. We actually participated in some contest for 500, so. They have really everything here, everything, including clothes. So if you break the ice, you can get the money from it, but you have just 30 seconds and it looks pretty difficult, so not sure.
That's $10 bill right there. It's
Right?
really close
Oh,
to the
that's
edge.
true. That's even closer than the 21 there. So we are just browsing and I didn't show you Angel so far. So, hello! Alright guys, we are done. We got some back with some goodies. There's a lot of stuff. And I probably gave like my contact info to every second stand there to just win something, either $5, even $500, or Blue Jays tickets or Toronto Maple Leaf tickets. So my contact info is everywhere here. And my uncle told me I should have networking here, and I kind of forgot that they are looking for marketing person, so next time. But we got some bags. I bought some donuts and what did I buy? Oh yeah, the ginger thing, right? I bought ginger thing, which is good if you are sick or you are cold. And what we got? We got some, gloves. We got some chocolate and water and a lot of like marketing materials, I would say papers. So yeah, it was fun. It was bigger than the Midland last year, but we are expecting Midland this year as well. But that's not gonna be as big as it was here this year. So it was fun. We enjoyed it, right?
It was a cool event. I did also give my personal information to a lot of people. But it was worth it for all the swag we got. So it was a very cool event.
Right? Exactly. I think we will go again, right?
And I hope we win those Blue Jays tickets.
Yeah, we will let you know. We will let you know if we want something.
It'll be a Blue Jays blog.
So guys, we're gonna say bye to you. This video is at the end, and as always I would be really happy for a like, comment, and especially subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos. And it's cool if you're looking for some real estate or building, construction, air conditions, I don't know, house protections, or just want to browse around, that's pretty good event, so next year. So, see you in the next video, guys. Say bye.
See you later.
See you later.